Live your life to the full, with a lifetime of smiles. Made us know right from wrong, always knowing a lie. You made us be tough, but never too rough. Rise above what you said, never easily led. And one day we'll all sing along. This is your song, I wrote it for you. Never easily led. And one day we'll all sing along. This is your song, I wrote it for you. It won't take all day, just a minute or two. You were a friend, walk with you till the end. And one day we'll all sing along. This is your
Happy birthday po, Ate Lorena. Hey!
Hey Mama, I miss you po, tsaka happy Mother's Day po. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan palagi, tsaka po, ayaw nyo po papabayaan sa sarili nyo. Tapos po, miss na po namin kayo. Huwag po yung mag-alala na baka makasalba rin po kami dyan. Yan na po. Yan, patuloy po kayo ni Lord. Tsaka, yun po, I love you po.
Hi Mama, Happy Mother's Day. Ingat palagi. Salamat dahil lagi nyo kami, lahat ng gusto namin binibigay nyo. Basta yun, ingat palagi. Sana makapunta na kami dyan. Miss ka na namin. Bye-bye.